Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm going to show you how to do this garter stitch. It's very easy, both sides same. One is we are going knit this right side and back side also knit. Only we are using knit stitch. It's look like this. It's very easy. I'll show it to you how to do this one. And you only using knit, not just purl. And first I need to show you, it's when we cast on the last stitch we can do little knot, not tight. You can start with little knot, otherwise it's going very untidy. Okay, and I'm going to do, it's all knitting, all round 1 2, all of this knitting. I show it to you, and you can use any numbers of stitches. It's even, odd, any numbers. It's not specific numbers. It's very easy. This is the very beginner stitch. We don't need to count, at least we are all doing knitting. One knit, and then I go the other side. It's a knit again. Okay, whole row, knit again. It's very easy pattern. First you are struggling with these things, but when you are learn, you are not struggle, you are enjoying it, trust me. And it's very enjoyable. It's not hard. When you learn for something, it's very hard, but it's when you do again and again, it's very easy. I am in my end of my row. Okay, I am doing again knitting, only knitting. Okay, I come again with some after few rows. Look at this, it's a garter stitch. It's very beautiful, isn't it? And I'll show you. It's easy. Knit first one and knit second one and go over it. Okay, second knit and go over it. It's very easy. Next one we knit, go over it. Next one knit, go over it. Always only one stitch over there, not much. Again knit, go over it. 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 is easy. Cast on is not hard, very easy. Last stitch, and we have only one loop here. I cut the yarn, cut the yarn and pull the thread. Look at this, it's beautiful. I'll see you next time with another stitches, very easy one, beginners friendly stitches. See you again, bye.